Today's Friday, February 11th. This is the 1971 to 1975 Cadillac and Cadillac Eldorado power door lock actuating activators. This particular set is for my friend Oro in Georgia for his 1971 Cadillac Eldorado. This comprises the left-hand and right-hand set, the 879-1129-L and the 879-1128-R. So I've connected the units to power. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. These units have been completely taken apart all the way down to the final component, precision lapped, reassembled, and I'm going to be doing the test now under power, and we'll be watching for the extension and retraction and listening for the powerful snap. Extension, retraction, extension, retraction, extension. Now we'll do the other side. Extension, retraction, extension, retraction, extension. Okay, that's the 1971 through 1975 Cadillac Eldorado power door lock actuating activators. This is the restored set for my friend Oro in Georgia. In 1971 through 1975, we have a 3-point mounting pattern, consistent all the way through 78, but slightly different electrical connections in 76 and in 77 and 78. So these are identical, 71 through 75, okay, with a 3-point contact, and technically identical to the 69 and 70s, except 69 and 70 we have a 2-point mounting. Okay, so this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power door lock mechanisms, power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, February 11th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.